What is going on, folks? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be fishing Diablo East once again, and today hopefully I can catch some bass. I went night fishing last night and this is how it went. Can I get one? Oh, wait. Got one. That's a big one, everybody. Oh, dude, that's a giant. He popped me off. He broke me off. Dude, it's like this big. Yeah, so I lost a big carp. I'm not too sure whether we're gonna catch fish today. There was a tournament today and there's a ton of boats, so I don't know if that affected the fishing or not, but I have some soft plastics, a jerk bait. We had like a cold front last night, so I don't know how the fish are gonna react today, if the bite's gonna be on, but hopefully we can catch some fish today. I'm not too sure whether we will or not. I'm gonna try my absolute best to catch fish, but with that being said, I'm gonna stop talking, stop wasting time, and get out there in the water, and hopefully we can catch some fish. Let's get to it. Last night we had like a cold front come through. It's been kind of chilly in the mornings and at night, so I think these fish will react to a jerkbait pretty good. I'm gonna try that out, try and figure out these fish, see what they're thinking, what they're feeling, what bait they want. Just see if I can figure them out. Water clarity is not super clear, somewhat clear, but not as much as before. Is that a fish? No way, I just caught a fish. First fish of the day on the jerkbait. That was literally like instantly. Small fish, not a giant. I will take them though. On the jerkbait. This thing is fighting hard. I thought I got snagged because they like cast it right up shallow. That was insanely quick. There you go, everybody. First fish of the day. Not a giant. I will take him though. Little dink. Gonna let him go back in the water. Come on, buddy. There he goes, back in the water. I literally cast it like right here, really up shallow. I mean, it was basically on the bank. And I thought I got snagged, but no, it was a fish. Not bad. I literally just started fishing. I'm like 5 minutes in. This jerkbait is already putting down the hammer. I've already seen fish up shallow, so I'm thinking they're gonna be up shallow and feeding on shad and stuff, so this jerkbait should be ideal. Got one. Another little one. What is that, a smallie? I think it's a smallmouth. Another little fish. The little fish seem to like this jerkbait. Small fish. Get in here, buddy. Not the ones we're chasing, but hey, I'll take it. Chasing after big fish, trying to locate them. Man, I hate trebles. That is why I hate trebles. That is why. There you go, everybody. Second fish of the day. What a stud. I mean, absolute giant right there. Not a giant fish, but hey, I will take it. These fish fight super hard. He attacked my bait pretty aggressively, but take it. Second fish of the day. Only been here fishing for probably like 15 minutes and we're slaying them. Toss it back in the water. There he goes, little smallmouth. Not bad, I will take it. This jerkbait is putting in some work. I figured that this bait would work because we had a cold front come through. It's kind of warm today. The fish are up shallow after the cold front. They're going to be feeding on shad, and that's their main source of food right now, shad. Especially in weather like this, like I said, at the cold front, they like to feed on shad. So jerkbait is the ideal bait to throw around, and that's what I'm throwing around. I never fish with the jerkbait. I rarely catch fish on jerkbait. That's probably like the third fish I've ever caught on a jerkbait, but figured why not? It's the right time, right conditions, and we've caught 2 fish already. Not bad. Those are not the fish I'm after. I'm after some like decent sized fish. I don't know if they're wanting to eat the jerkbait right now, like the bigger fish. I'm trying to figure that out. I mean, I've caught small fish. I don't know if I have to slow it down for the big fish, but I've already caught 2 fish, which is not bad. I'm thinking we should be able to catch a decent sized largie on a jerkbait. That's another fish. Third fish of the day right there. That's a better largemouth right there, actually. Not bad. I will take him. Oh, that's a decent one. That's like a 2.5. That is like a 2.5. Jerkbait. Jerkbait slaying them. I knew it. I knew it. And I'm fishing a highly pressured area right now. That's a decent one. Get in the net. In the net. Like a 2.5, 3-pounder. That is what I'm after, ladies and gentlemen. That is what I'm after right there. I've been fishing for like 20 minutes at the least, and we've already caught like a 2.5, 3-pounder. Barely hooked also. There we go, folks. Like a 2.5, 3-pounder. Absolutely slaying them. I mean, I've been out here for like 20 minutes and I've already caught 3 fish. 2 dinks, 1 decent sized one. I mean, look at that fish. Decent sized fish, quality fish right there. this jerkbait is getting it done. Gonna go ahead and let this fish go. Back in the water he goes. These fish are on the jerkbait bite. Figured it out. Picked the right bait. Oh, I got one right in front of me. That was epic. That was so crazy. Get in here, buddy. Get in here. Get in the yak. I stopped jerking it and I kind of just started reeling it slow. And right in front of me just, oh my gosh, that was epic. I've literally gone so long without a bite. There we go, everybody. 4th fish of the day. Little chubby fish. Not a giant, about a pound. Small fish. I literally went for like an hour without catching fish. It's like the bite just turned off. About an hour and a half that I went without catching a fish. I had a few follows, a few bites, but nothing too crazy, and this fish came out of nowhere. I decided to slow down my retrieve just a tad bit because I noticed I was getting fish follows, I was getting bites, but I wasn't getting fish to commit, so I kind of slowed it down a bit. As you can tell, I slowed it down right there at the end. The fish ate right at my yak. It was insane. Such a crazy bite. That's why I kind of slowed it down, because I knew that there was probably a fish back here in this area next to these tires. So caught a fish, not bad, about a pound. Gonna go ahead and release this fish now. Back in the water he goes. Ha, such a crazy bite right in front of me. That was insane. I don't know if we're gonna catch any more, but I'm gonna keep trying. All right, folks, that is going to effectively end today's video. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I caught quite a few fish. I caught 4 fish in total on the same exact bait, on the jerk bait. On this exact jerk bait, I slayed them today. We literally had a cold front come through like maybe last night. This week it's been kind of chilly in the mornings and at night, so figured a jerk bait would absolutely slay them, and of course it did. Literally like 5 minutes I caught 1 fish, and those other fish, I mean, I caught them like up on the bank and they were up shallow and feeding on shad, so the jerk bait worked out pretty good. I kept getting fish to follow the bait and nibble the bait, but I was fishing way too fast there at the end, but we caught fish either way. We landed 4 fish today. Hopefully you enjoyed today's video. If y'all did, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if y'all haven't already. Drop a comment down below if you have any future video ideas. But with that being said, I'll catch y'all next time on JJ Fishes.